Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of April 19th through the 25th. So it's Earth Day here, but mostly I just picked that kit because it was springy. So this is a kit by Nicole Kelly Creations. I think it's just called Spring. If it's called something else, the title of this video will tell you the answer. But I thought it was really cute and fun and definitely spring-like, which hopefully we will have spring weather. I'm gonna pull in some other things. I pulled these two washies. This one's from AliExpress. It's pulled out because it's like terrible quality. And then this one is from Michael's. And then I also pulled this one from AliExpress just in case. And then I pulled a bunch of leftovers. These are from My Planner Life UK, I believe. I'm probably gonna use a bunch of this stuff because the colors go really well with this kit. So yeah, that's my plan. My plan is to stick the Today headers at the top, these through the middle, and then these that say Remember down at the bottom. I know the fonts don't match, but I feel like they go together, so I'm gonna put them together. And then I'm gonna stick these two washies on the bottom and stick down the weekend banner on top of them. So I'm gonna do all those boring things, and then I will be, my cat's just like falling off of things, and then I will be right back to do all the interesting bits. All right, there is the base all down. I think it's looking really cute. These headers are slightly too tall, but I don't think it's gonna bother me that I lost a tiny bit of space in this box and the header is tiny bit closer to the numbers. Like, I don't think that's a big deal. So double box, obviously not gonna be my quote box. I feel like those two go together, and those two, I guess, are the closest to going together. So I think I'm going to use this one as my quote box. I don't really know why. I just think it's cute. So that's what I'm going to do, which means this one is going to go on Thursday. There we go. I'm gonna stick the double box here. Oh, I forgot to account for the fact that it's not actually going to be spaced correctly. Ooh, tricky, tricky. I'm just gonna tear off like a little bit of this here so that it's easier to put the box back in. I don't have like the right thing here. So this goes from 4 to like 11 and a half, give or take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, a little and a half. So 1, 2, 3 and a half, and another tick or two. I'm just gonna purely estimate this, which I don't know if it's the best move, but there we go. That actually looks not terrible. Okay, so now we're gonna stick these down like so. This one's slightly small and this one's slightly large, but I feel like it's not super noticeable, so I'm just gonna go with it. And then I think I'm gonna do the close-up bike on this side. And over here, I will do the other bike. This little bucket. And this girl with her basket of flowers. There we go. All right, I think that looks cute. Okay, so for the sidebar. First off, I'm going to use 2 habit trackers this week because I have the space, so why not? So if you look, these are like too wide here for reasons that I don't really understand. I don't know why she makes her habit trackers too wide. But I'm just going to trim them to like right along the edge of these 2. And then I need to trim off just a hair more. So my first and last days don't have like full dots, but I think that'll be fine. There's one. Let me just do the other one. Hopefully this one's the right width already. Yep, there we go. All right, so there are those 2 for the top one, just like I've been doing every week. I have my Instagram icons from Piper Paper Company. Coupon code down below. There is an affiliate link there too, which would get me some shop credit to her store. So if you do that, I really appreciate it. Then I can buy some more stickers. But no pressure either way. And then I need something that's like, I think I'm gonna do like a tidy up kind of thing. I do have a little cleaning icon here, but it's kind of big, I think, for this. I think I'm just going to use this little leftover teardrop, probably from Plannerology Studio would be my guess. But there we go. That's in. Done. Don't have to worry about that anymore. Then I'm going to stick some of this pink washi tape. My cat's being so weird. Honestly, I probably should have stuck some of this down before the habit trackers as well, but I just didn't, so here we are. And I'm going to stick down one of these. There is an extra dot on here because there's 8, not 7. So I'm just going to trim off 1 dot. Over there, not sure I'm going to use that dot. Honestly, it doesn't worry me one way or the other. My cat's under my china cabinet upside down. Guys, it's ridiculous. All right, so that's for my dinners. And then I still have a little space. Let's see. First, I'm going to put this down. Oh, okay. He found a coaster and he's running away with it. You guys, I don't make these things up. Then I'm going to take, I think, another one of these and I'm going to cut this one straight in half. So 4 and 4. I'm going to stick this one down here because I probably will use those 4. And that's just going to be for like a little, you know, weekly to-do list situation. Then I have a little space down here that I did not pull any washi from. However, I do have this washi already out. This one's from Amazon, I think. And I can just stick that down here at the bottom. There we go. All right, that's my sidebar. Not too exciting, but it should be functional. Okay, so for the week, first off, I'm gonna use this yellow one. I'm just gonna mark work with a few of these guys. And then I'm gonna use this one for Wednesday. a little bigger, but that seems fine. I'll use those two for Thursday and Friday. So obviously marking work. Next up, I need to mark my plan with me. I'm going to use one of these Creative Cavern Studio Aspen YouTubers, since I feel like this red won't stand out too much with this spread. So there's that. And then down here at the bottom, I'm going to use the red box. And then I think my only movie night scripts do not really go. Let me see. What do I have for movie night? I have that one. That does not go. And those, but those also don't go. I seem to not have anything in the right colors, so I'm just going to leave this blank for now. I'm planning to do movie night with friends. Just fill it in after I find an icon or figure out what I want it to look like. I don't know if I want to do like a friend night thing or what. Anyway, Tuesday, nothing is going on. What is my cat finding? Wednesday, nothing is going on. Then Thursday and Friday, I'm going to fill in these last two, like so. And that's really all I know right now. So that's all I'm going to fill in. So this is what it's looking like right now. I don't think I'm even going to write anything in because there's just so little to write in and I don't really feel like it right now. But stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. I love how it turned out. Still got a few things to fill in over here, but that's fine. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit, which is from Nicole Creations. I have a few leftovers here that I will save for another week. This is a Piper Paper Company icon. This is a leftover, I think, from Plannerology Studio. This washi is from Michael's. These are from My Planner Life UK. This is an Amazon washi. Creative Cavern Studio. These headers are from My Planner Life UK. This is a Creative Cavern Studio, I believe. Happy Planner. That's a little bit from My Planner Life UK. This comes from the back of my Recollections planner, an old one. This is an old Chasing Chelsea icon, Creative Cavern Studio. This floral washi is from AliExpress. This is Dollar Tree Recollections planner. This one, I don't remember what shop this came from. I will tag it on Instagram.